Hello, peoples from around the world. It's Coco.
And Kid.
Yeah, we got a diamond play button.
If you hear drums in the background, it's because, I don't know,
we hired a drummer.
Yeah. And there's also been a ghost living in my house.
That I drive a Hummer.
That, no one's gonna get that, except Michael. Anyway,
maybe next Tales the Toy Box, but whatever.
Yeah, anyway.
So we got our, new diamond play buttons.
That we totally didn't steal.
Like,
seriously, I didn't have a shotgun in the beginning, because I totally didn't steal this. And, he didn't steal his either. So, yeah. I mean, that's a thing.
Yeah, they just mailed 2 of them on accident, and we said, hey, you forgot one, and they were like, oh, no, it's okay.
You guys are just so good with your 50 subscribers that, you can have 2. I mean, like, they were so generous. See? And it's not a stock photo. I'm gonna hang mine right up there.
In the next Stardew Valley video, you'll see mine.
I need some tape. I need some X tape.
No. See, look. Just to show that these are real, watch. Look how real this noise is.
Yeah, I know. It's like... Mine even says 100% authentic, and it's really real.
Look, mine is totally legit.
Also, if you look up there, right there, that's for another day, but not today, because...
I don't even know what he's pointing at. Oh,
and I also got some Christmas decorations, even though it's not Christmas. Anyway, thank you all 50 subscribers for our 10,000 play button.
It's 10 million.
Shut up. Because we earned these, didn't we? We didn't barge into someone's house and steal it. I mean, like, it's common sense. If you see someone with 50 subscribers, they gotta have a diamond play button.
Yeah. See, look, there's even YouTube watermarks on them.
Yeah. Got our names at the bottom. See, you can't make that stuff up. I mean, seriously.